But take me back to the beginning when you, with all of those different titles and different hats, started seeing all of this legal, lawfare really unfold for President Trump. What were you thinking about it? Because it was unprecedented then. We've never seen anything like it, and I hope we never see anything like it ever again.
Yeah, you're right. I hope that's exactly one reason why I wrote the book. I hope we never have to see what we saw happen to your father-in-law again. But I think for me, when I talk about the book and where I start is I talk about the cost of lawfare, and it gets personal. I spoke to you. Don Jr. had spoke about the impact with the family. And then the first chapter, I really go to Russia, where the special counsel probe, I covered Congress in 2017, 2018, and, I felt like I stood outside of a closed door hearing with Adam Schiff every day. And all he did was come out and promise that there was going to be some sort of Russia collusion. Of course, that never came to be. He has yet to answer for that, even though I know that there's been bar complaints filed against him for his behavior. That's, I think, exactly where it started. It started with special counsels. It then graduated into impeachments. And then, unfortunately, from there, indictments. And when I watched it snowball, I was always troubled by going into a courtroom and looking at a judge and seeing who appointed that judge and being kind of able to tell how the case would play out.
Yep.
But that became even more evident with your father-in-law. And it's truly un-American. It threatens the separation of powers. And I thought something needed to be done about it. Someone needed to chronicleize everything that's happened, what we've seen. And that's what I hoped this book would do. And in America, we're supposed to defeat our opponents in fair elections at the ballot box, not try to silence them and jail them. And unfortunately, that was what 2024 was about.